Children, here is a mental math. Who am I? Okay, first, I am a number greater than 20 and less than 25. Okay, greater than 20 means 21 and less than 25 means 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, then when I am divided by 11, I leave a remainder 2. I am dash dash. Okay, now tell me here, when we divide by 11, you know the table of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99 and 11 tens are 110. Now here when we divide a number from this, then I leave a remainder 2. मीन्स 11 के टेबल से अगर डिवीजन किया इन 5 नंबर में से एक नंबर को, देन आई लीव अ रिमाइंडर 2. नाउ टेल मी, इफ वी डिवाइड 21 डिवाइड बाय 11, देन वी विल गेट रिमाइंडर 10. देन 22 by 11 we get remainder 0. Then 23 divide by 11, then we will get remainder 1. And 24 divide by 11. Look here, 24 divide by 11. 11 twos are 22 and then 4 minus 2, 2 and 2 minus 2, 0. So when we divide 24 by 11, then we will get the number remainder 2. Means here the answer will be 24. So here will come 24. Okay. Now next I am a number less than 60 but greater than 48. Okay. We will write the numbers less than 60 and greater than 48. Okay, which number? Greater than 48 means 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Less than 60 means numbers between 49 to 59. Okay, when I am divided by 6, so we have to write here table 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. When I am divided by 6, the remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. I am dash dash. Remainder 0 means we have to divide, we have to search the number that will come between 6 ones are 6 to 60. Look here, here is 49. When we divide by 6, 8s are 48. Here remainder will come 1. Here remainder will come, if 6 9s are 54, then remainder will come 4. Here 51 means 3. 52 means remainder will come like 52 means we have to divide 6 8s are 48. Agar 52 divide by 6, then we have to write here 6 8s are 48. And here we get here 12 means 2 minus 8 not possible, so carry over from tens place. 12 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 and 4 minus 4, 0. Yes, here remainder comes 4. Okay, when we divide 52 by 6. Then 53 also remainder will come 3. Then 54. Yes, here is the number 54 and here is number also 54. And when we divide 6 9s are 54. 54 divided by 6. 6 9s are 54, and then we get answer here 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0, means remainder 0. And here is written, when I am divided by 6, the remainder is 0. So I am number 54. Okay children, like this you have to solve the mental math. Here I am number greater than 56 and less than 66. 56 and 66 means number will 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay, means I am a number greater than 56. Greater than 56 means it's 57, 58, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. इन नंबर से कोई भी एक नंबर हो सकता है, बट आई लीव एज रिमाइंडर, आई लीव 2 as remainder when divided by 7. From these numbers, when we divide by 7, then remainder will come 2. Okay, so write here 7's table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Means which number will take, then remainder should be 2. Okay, remainder will be 2. Look here, means children, from this which number will take, then and we will divide by 7, then remainder will be 2. See here, here is 65, and when we divide by 7, so 7 9s are 63. When we subtract this 63 from 65, then we will get the remainder 2. Look here, 65, when we take this 65 and divide by 7, so 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 63, and here 5 minus 3 2, and 6 minus 6 0. So here is remainder 2. So 65 will be the number here. Okay, here 65. If children, if we will take here another number, then we get remainder 2. Let's see here 58. 58 means now here 4. I am a number greater than 50 and less than 60. Okay, so we will write here greater than 50 and less than 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay, then I leave 1 as remainder when divided by 9. Means we have to divide by 9 among these any one number, and then remainder will be 1. Okay, so 9's table, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 10s are 90. Okay, now which number we will divide or subtract, then which number we will subtract, then remainder will come 1 here. Yes, here is number 55. Okay, when we divide 55 divided by 9, then 9 6 54. ओके, 55 नंबर में से अगर 54 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए, देन वी विल गेट 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 5 0. Okay, so answer will be 55. Okay children, other number here 53, no, 56 minus 54, remainder will 2. 57 minus 54, remainder will 3. And other number here 59, 59, no, nothing, so it will be 55. Okay, now here I am a number greater than 14 multiplied by 5. 14 5s are 70. Okay, and less than 15 5s are 75. And what is the number between 70 and 75? 71, 72, 73, 74. Yes, these 4 number. And when I am divided by 5, I leave a remainder 1. Means इनमें से कौन से नंबर को 5 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर 1 आएगा. सो फर्स्ट वी विल टेक दिस 71. ओके, 71 डिवाइड बाय 5. ओके, हियर 5 1s are 5. 7 minus 5 2. Then 1, take 1 down, 21. Then 5 4s are 20. Okay, here 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0. Here will come remainder 1. If we will take 72, then remainder will 2. 73, then remainder will 3, and 74 remainder will 4. So this is the correct number. Which number? Number 71. Okay children, like this you have to complete this mental maths. I hope you have understood about the mental math. Thank you.